Hi guys, in today's quick tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you can easily change your username or your display name in your Roblox. So to change display name or username in your Roblox account, you have to open Roblox. After opening Roblox, you need to click on more. After clicking on more, now you need to click on settings and click on account info. To change your display name, you have to click side of the display name, change display name, and you can easily change your display name to whatever you like. And to change your username, you will be needing 1000 Robux to change your username. So this much for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.